Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day and making some really good trades on BTC and hopefully, other markets as well. But overall, Bitcoin has finally, broken out of this little symmetrical triangle that we got going on here. At the same time, we are finishing up, in my opinion, this wave 2. Could it go for a deeper correction? It could. I mean, but right now, we remain bullish, and it's been holding our level quite nicely. We keep bouncing out of it, but really, we got to break that $70,000 resistance. I think we're gearing up for a big move higher. We got the dollar coming down. We got yields coming down. We got the stock market, a little bit volatile right now, but overall the dips are being bought in stocks, and then you're seeing, I think, the breakdown in the dollar starting here. So that's quite bullish for equities and risk assets like Bitcoin. So I do believe that we have more upside left. Now, we did print a new monthly candle on Market Cipher, and I'll take a look at that right now with you guys. And of course, right now with this red dot on the monthly, it is throwing a monkey wrench in this whole in this whole scenario of us going higher. Now, I do think that we could still get this pop up, finishing up fifth waves here. And once this does finish, I think that we will get this reversal, and that's why it could be a quick pump and dump in June, right? A lot of people say sell in May and then walk away. Well, right now, May is over. We've entered June, but June could be just a quick rally up and then a dump back down. We could erase the whole fifth wave here. We could lose everything, and maybe stocks do top out in June or maybe July, but we'll see. But this monthly candle with a red dot hasn't confirmed. There's 26 days left, so it's still potential for us to go higher. The weekly is shaping up to look a little bit bullish right now with a 12 and a -4. The dailies is looking a little bit better now that we've come out of red money flow. We have a tiny sliver here of green money flow. The 4-hour time frame, you're back into green money flow. In the 1-hour time frame, you're also back into green money flow. Hopefully this is a dip to buy here. We start to get a nice little rally. And then the 24-minute, you also have green money flow. So everything's looking quite, relatively bullish on the short to medium term. Daily's looking good as well, -5 and a 17 on the dual bench strength index. In terms of wave edge, I don't see really any significant buying or selling. I'm seeing a bunch of green crosses on the 4-hour. Could it lead to more upside? We'll have to see. The 2-day, 3-day, and I think the 4-day, no real signs here, except for maybe the 2-day. You got a red cross, but really it was just sideways chop, and not much price action has occurred since then. The 12-hour, we do have a nice little green cross here, so I'm favoring upside. But it might be quick, right? So that's why I'm going to be taking profits if we do end up going higher, and if we don't, then we'll stop out of our trades. But again, it's been a pretty lackluster couple of weeks inside the Discord. Not much trading has happened. No real new trades. It's like what can I really do? When the Bitcoin price is just chopping sideways for days on end, there's not much to have done. I mean, you could trade the chop, but I'd rather just sit on the sidelines, do other projects, and just wait for the breakout to occur. And I do think it has occurred, and now we're retesting to see if Bitcoin can hold these levels here. When you take a look at the smaller time frames, you can see on the 1-hour, broke out and pulsing out. Now we'll see if this corrective move is done and if it can hold these levels and if we're going to reverse higher. Okay, so that's basically it. Don't really have much to add. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and if we can hit our targets on Bitcoin, then we're going to go much higher to the $80,000 to $100,000 levels in the short to medium term, maybe the next couple of weeks. Okay, that's basically it. Have a good evening, guys. Peace.